All right, boys and girls, welcome back. Here we are, day 2 of our November daily math. So number 1 here, we have use less than, greater than, or equal to. So first let's go ahead and figure out what each side is. So we have 9 2s or 2 9s. 9 plus 9 is 18. And we have 3 10s or 10 3s. So 10, 20, 30. And now we compare those two numbers. So which one is smaller or which one is greater, however you want to look at it. So when we do it, we work left to right. So we're going to say 18 is less than 30. So the less than symbol goes like that. Okay? Remember, the alligator mouth opens up to the big one. All right, here we are. We're going to match these up. We have 5 times 3, so we have 5 3s. So 5 or 3 5s, which is the one we did right there. See that? 15. And then we have 4 5s, so we can say 5, 10, 15, 20. And that leaves 1 left, but let's just double check and make sure it's right anyways, right? 7 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And that's what it is. Okay, here we go back to the table up above with those pies. Did you pick your favorite yet? Yeah? Was it apple? Chocolate? No? Cherry? In the table above, how many more pumpkin pies were sold than apple and pecan? So it looks like we got to figure out how many apple and pecan there were, right? So let's say 25 plus 19. So 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is like 2 plus 2, which is 4. And now we're going to compare this number with the pumpkin pie, which is 58. So we'll do 58 minus the 44. More on the floor. Nope. More on top. No need to stop. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So, how many more pumpkin pies? 14 more pumpkin pies. Is that making you a little hungry for some pumpkin pie? It is me. Let's count by tens. So that's really like counting by ones in the tens column, right? So we have kind of just remove the 0 for a second. So we have 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Did you get it? Yep. 30, 31, and 32. But that's not right yet. We still have to put a 0 in there, because we're really counting by tens, not by ones. We're counting by 110, really, right? So 230, 240, 250, 260, and so on. All right. What time is it? Let's see here. Let's move that clock around. Let's see here. 7. And it's pointing at the 7 right there. All right. So I see that. What is the hour hand pointing to? Well, it's between the 7 and the 8. So that means it won't be 8 o'clock until it gets up here and points at the 8. So if it's not 8 o'clock, it has to be 7 o'clock, right? Because 7 comes before 8. So it's 7 something. Now we got to figure out how many minutes it is. Well, this one is, well, it's kind of giving the answer, right? It's like cheating almost. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So the answer is 7:35. All right. Don't forget to put your score in here, whatever you may have gotten. All right. And that's it for today. We will see you next time.